Hello students, let us continue the lesson file management, and in my previous video already I have discussed the introduction of this lesson, means what is file, what is management, and the explanation of this example. So if you have not watched that video, so once you watch it to understand the points. So today we will see Windows Explorer. So what is Windows Explorer, what is the use of Windows Explorer, so we are going to learn in this session. Windows Explorer is a file manager application that provides a detailed information about files, folders, and drives. So Windows Explorer is a file manager application, that is one software. Application is software, file manager software. So this application gives a detailed information, means in your system, so whatever the files are there, whatever the folders are there, or how many drives are there, so that all the information or all the details will be provided by this Windows Explorer. We will get that information by using this Windows Explorer. It enables you to access, edit, manage, and organize your files and folders. So this Windows Explorer allows us to access any files. Accessing is opening that file, or editing. If you want to make any changes in that file or folder, you can make the changes. Managing in the sense, if you want to delete, if you want to move that folder or file, or if you want to copy, so that all the work can be done by using this Windows Explorer. Organize your files and folder. Organizing means arranging that files according to the size or according to the date of modification. So we can arrange or we can organize that all the files and folders by using Windows Explorer. You can use it to view, create, delete, copy, move, rename, and search files and folders. So this Windows Explorer can be used to view. Viewing means looking at that files, and creating. If you want to create any file or folder, you can create by using this Windows Explorer. If you want to delete any files or folders, you can delete it. If you want to copy any files or folders, you can copy. If you want to move any files from one location to another location, so that also can be done by using this Windows Explorer. Rename, if you want to change the name of any files or folders, you can change the name. And if you want to search any files or folders, you can search it by using this Windows Explorer. Okay, so now point is given, so we'll see where is that Windows Explorer and how to open that Windows Explorer. So one quick view is given here, you can see here. To open Windows Explorer, press Windows plus E on your keyboard. Okay, so let me open a keyboard here. Say, okay, on screen keyboard, and so they have given a shortcut key to press Windows and E. Okay, so this is a Windows button. So this Windows button and this E, so you have to press to open a Windows Explorer. Okay, so this is a Windows Explorer. Okay, window. Okay, so here you will get all the information of your drives, CD drive, DVD, CD or DVD drive, then removable disk, and all the local disk drives. And here all the related files, which file you want to access, you can open it, you can access it. Okay, so by using this, okay, drive names. Okay, so and if you want to create any files, folders, you can create by using this new folder. You can create a new folder. If you want to create any files, you can create new files by using the tools option. So this is the one way, first way of opening Windows Explorer. See once again, so Windows and E button to open a Windows Explorer. So this is shortcut key. And if you have the difficulty to open that Windows Explorer by using shortcut key, then one simple method, just open this computer icon, you are going to get the same interface. Okay, so this is the same interface. When we double click on the computer icon, we get the interface, we get the window. So you can open this computer icon, and you will get the detailed information of all the drives and other devices which are connected to the system. So this is another way, another method by opening computer also, so that Windows Explorer features can be accessed. So next, see here one more method. This on this start button, just right click and you select this open Windows Explorer. So just click on this option. Again, you are going to get the interface of Windows Explorer. Here you can create a files or folders. So this is another way, another method. Okay, so just right click on this start button and select open Windows Explorer. So one more method, let me check whether it is available or not in my system, but in most of the system it is available. So in all programs, okay, so in all programs, okay, accessories, in accessories, so it is searching. Okay, you can see the icon here. Okay, in a searching, okay, so now in accessories here they are given Windows Explorer. Okay, you check in your system also whether it is available or not. So in my system it is available in accessories folder. You can click, single click, okay, and you have to use the left mouse button to click. You will get a Windows Explorer window. So these are the different ways to open a Windows Explorer in our system, in our account. Okay, so either you can right click on a start button and you can use this option, or you can use the shortcut key Windows E button, or you can click on start, go to all programs, then click on accessories, then select Windows Explorer option to open. Or simple method is just use this computer icon. Okay, just double click on this computer icon to open that Windows Explorer. Okay, I hope you understood this point. What is Windows Explorer? Okay, what is Windows Explorer? And so in the next video we'll see how to create a folder. Okay, so how to create a folder in our system, so we'll discuss in a next video. Thank you for watching.